what are 1,500 slips used for? Let's get into it. So within your sinking funds, just in order to keep you safe and keep you on track, you want to be removing the money at a certain point, right? So most of our funds have goals over $1,000. So what happens is, once a fund has reached over the $1,000 mark, you want to use a 1K slip. So, for example, my vehicle insurance fund, inside of here, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $1,000 and some extra. So what I need to do is pull this $1,000, and this is going to go to the bank. I'm going to add this back to the sinking fund, this 1K slip, as a representative of the money in the bank, so that when I'm going through and recounting this money every week and calculating how much I have, my brain can visually understand that there is $1,000 in the bank for this fund. So these are placeholders. And if you prefer to pull your money at $500 instead of $1,000, these are available as well. So again, it just helps you. A lot of people assume you don't use banks or whatever whenever you do the cash envelope method, and that's untrue. And it keeps you safe, so you're not carrying so much money. I know a lot of people are scared there for whatever reason. This gets your money in the bank, gaining interest, while you're also staying on track within your sinking funds.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy?